And while we are waiting oh, there you go. Okay. So what I'll be doing over here is providing a brief overview of our analytics capabilities at Intervision and how some of it ties in with the work we're doing with Cisco over here for analytics on the edge. The product line is actually called Panoptis, and these are some of its capabilities. So Panoptis can actually handle live video streams, can also work with archive data, postmortem analysis. It allows users to train on objects. So for example, you want alarms to happen only with people or vehicles, but not on, say, animals. We also exploit GPU cards when they are there, and with actual GPU cards, we can actually get 150 frames per second for a 640 by 480 video. We also then in addition to that, we have a good and robust integration with the Cisco's video surveillance monitor and support third-party device triggers. So, starting off with the events that Panoptis supports, these are some of the standard kinds: left object, activity, crowd density, object taken counting, and intrusion. Then you have the enter-exit, idle object, line crossing, speeding object, and wrong direction, and smoke and fire detection also actually. Counting over here actually can be applied to any event. So if you want to count enter exit, you can count that. If you want to count line crossing, you can count that. One additional thing is that these are some of the basis events, but sometimes you want to have a slightly more complicated event that you want to capture, and so that's how we support compound events. The underlying events can be happening across two different cameras. So in this particular example, someone is leaving a bag in camera 1 and someone is going in the wrong direction in camera 2. And these two together can be used to trigger a particular alarm. So this is an example actually. So someone is actually coming and parking the vehicle outside an office. He'll then enter and walk into the office. And the system detects that as a compound event, and it will trigger an alarm. The other thing is basically there is a floor map layout, so you can actually visualize the events as they're happening in the office, basically. In addition to giving rise to alarms, we also do some analysis on the events and the alarms. So in the top right corner, you actually see a heat map of the various object motions, and it indicates where the people or vehicles have been moving around. The darker the color, it indicates the dwell time. So for example, in this particular region, there's a traffic light over here, and the vehicles are actually stopping over there for much longer time, and you can see that. And in addition to that, you can actually see the counts, basically, various counts. In this case, this is just the enter-exit event. They are updated in real time. And you can also have other summary statistics for the various events that you're capturing, basically. This is an example of using the GPU and seeing how fast it is actually. So on the left, what you have is actually we're processing a 640 by 480 video. On the CPU, it's the Intel Xeon processor, while on the right, it's running on the same desktop, but it's actually using the GPU card for it. It's the NVIDIA 555 for that. And you can see the counts being updated in real time in the top. And same thing over here, it's much slower actually. And as I mentioned, it is much faster. So for live streams, this doesn't help much, but if you want to analyze, say, 10,000 hours of video later on, so this actually helps a lot, actually, for that. So we also support doing the analytics on the embedded camera, and this is how it ties into the Cisco framework over here. We actually have some demos running on the Cisco 6000 series cameras in the booth right across, where you can see that. And we are supporting right now line crossing, wrong direction, then there's activity. We plan to add object taken, density, and smoke and fire detection soon for that, actually. So the great part is that this ties in very well into the Cisco, the Video Surveillance Manager, and the alerts come up in that and can be managed through that, basically. This is just a overview of us tying in with the Cisco cameras. So as you can see, we support the various kinds of Cisco cameras, and then there's a user interface to basically set the camera settings and complete functionality. Basically, the user can set up the streams to be recorded, or basically set up any possible events over here. So just to summarize, we are providing a real-time analytics platform which supports multiple event types. We exploit the GPU when possible, and we also support classification objects and provide summary statistics for it. And in addition to that, we also do embedded analytics on the Cisco cameras and have a very robust VSM integration. And finally, all our surveillance algorithms actually have been reviewed so by the government organization. So NIST TRECWID actually reviewed it, and then we also had a challenge in IEEE last year in 2012, which we passed with flying colors. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashu, everyone.
Thank you.
Now it's my time to give out that $100 gift card.